Welcome to my next vlog. This time you're going to come with me to experience my very first time at the Amelia. Super excited, just got here. Thank you to Haggerty for having me. Let's check out the first thing on the docket, the hotel room. Most of the events are at and around the Ritz-Carlton in Amelia Island. The only time I get to stay at Ritz's are when my amazing partners treat me in, so I'm very, very grateful, very thankful, because it's super cool to be able to be in a hotel like this. Yeah, let's give a little room tour. The robes, of course. Coffee, of course, a big bathroom. Super pretty. The best part! Look at this bed. Oh my gosh, I just want to jump on it. And a nice little lounge area so I can work a bit, hang out on the couch. And of course, maybe the best part, second best part, here is the view. Like, what the heck? And right outside, hello there. It's like Skittles. That is the Atlantic Ocean right there. Apparently the sunrise is amazing. Out front of the hotel, they actually have a sign as you pull in that says next sunrise is like tomorrow's like 6:50 a.m. but it lets you know so you can go out and see it because it's apparently just insane. If you don't know where Amelia Island is, we are on like the very east coast of the United States. So nothing for miles out there. I just got here. We've been testing in Sebring for the last couple days. Monday, Tuesday for the Crick Cup, we had our first official test. First time back in the car, woohoo! Since COTA, so really excited about that. First time with JDX, getting settled in with the team and everybody. So yeah, it's been a great start to my week. Been a busy start to the week. And then yesterday, we did a big content shoot with Dream Giveaway to show you a very cool Porsche GT4 RS that is being auctioned off. So more to come on that. Maybe we'll insert possibly some clips here so you can see behind the scenes of what happened yesterday before we even got here to Amelia Island. Can't touch this. What's up, guys? It's my birthday. So help me celebrate by making a small donation to charity to win this Porsche GT4 RS. Crazy busy, but you know, we live the fast life, so we're here. We have an event. First event starts in about 2 hours, so I am going to try and knock out some emails and get ready for the event. I think it's like the welcome party kind of thing. It's a cocktail dress. See you guys in a bit for the welcome party. All right, guys, ready to go for the welcome party. Trying to pull off the black and the red lipstick for the first time. I normally don't wear red lipstick, so we're just gonna own it. We're gonna own it. Just a simple black dress, black heels. Here we go.
Hello.
Erin's gonna do my portrait.
Yes.
So I'm excited for it. Coming along. You're so fast at that.
Oh, thank you. Ta-da. You
So we get to make our own fedora hats. It's gonna help me out today. I like that.
Okay.
I think that's great.
And then, do you want this one in there?
Yeah. Let's do that one.
Here we go.
Thank you. All right, guys, I got my hat. It was a pretty fun first welcome night, so excited to see what else is in store here at the Amelia. But yeah, thanks to Haggerty for having me tonight. It was super fun, and I'm gonna go wind down now, get some sleep, and then we are leaving bright and early at 7:30. So I will see you guys in the morning for more fun. See you. Hey guys, what's up? We're here for day 2 at the Amelia, and we're here with Coco, Jason, and Larry.
Morning.
Woo! And this is the 8 Flags tour? 8 Flags tour. You guys have been here before though, so tell me, what are you most looking forward to today?
You get to hear the cars. That's the fun of it. These are the cars that are going to be in the concourse, but they go on this drive, and it's part of the judging to make sure that they're mechanically sound. Fun of it for us is the engines.
Yeah.
And usually when you're looking at the show field, you don't get to hear them. But here you'll see them going down and get to hear the engines and the driver shifts. So
And most car shows don't have the cars actually run, so
right.
that's the difference here, right? That's
Absolutely.
super cool. gonna get some coffee really quick. Alright guys, back at the Ritz for a tiny bit of a break where I'm just gonna get some work done and then we will head to a local high school and there's like a supercar parade. What's gonna happen? I don't know. You're rolling with me. I'm gonna find out at the same time. The Eight Flags tour was really cute. The downtown area in Amelia is gorgeous. It was a perfect spring morning. Really saw some incredible cars, and listening to Larry and Jason talk about their car knowledge is insane. They know so much, and I was just like, well, what's this one? What's this one? They are just like so well versed in everything, and just getting to hear the history behind cars and like just little tiny details that I wouldn't have known otherwise. And it's, you know, it's hard to find all these like little facts here and there, and they have spent decades learning all of this stuff and knowing exactly like what's fact and what's fiction. So I was really excited to be able to spend some time with them and get to meet Coco for the first time with Haggerty. Super lovely, and had a great morning with all of them. So yeah, ready for what's up next. Before I turn out, there's a cute dog down here. Oh, can you see him? All right, see you guys in a bit. Bye. One for every color. Wow, this one, oh. This might be my favorite paint. So they line up here and then they all drive to the local high school. And they kind of, the kids come out and they get to talk with the drivers. That's cute. Yeah, Randy's gonna tell us what's up. That's the supercar parade. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Ava Haggerty. So I'm helping out with the high school, middle school car rally, and we're giving out pins to all the lucky kids.
Awesome. It's gonna be super fun.
Super excited.
So we're riding in our badass Prius in the supercar parade because, of course, it's a supercar. Yeah, there's so many more people today.
Yes, last year we had 27,000.
27,000?
Yes.
Are you guys gonna have about that much this year, you think?
The weather's way better this year.
Oh, well then
right?
For sure.
They'll just all be in one day.
Exactly. Yeah, which is gonna be crazy.
Yes.
Looks like they're having fun. So many kids, you can't even see the cars. So super exciting. I just noticed that the newer version of like the SSE cars, when I was a kid, I loved the SSE Ultimate Aero, and the new version of the SSE cars, one of them is here, and I've never seen them in real life. So I'm gonna get to sit in it, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Now we're headed down to see the Patrick Dempsey video. Yeah, to see McDreamy live going up. Let's go. The chats were great. You did good.
Thank you. We tried.
So guys, it's been a long day here at Amelia Island. Definitely once in a lifetime experiences with some of the cars we saw, and the fact we saw Patrick Dempsey and Pat Long and their new series about their racing adventures. So I am pretty bushed. I have a salad for dinner. I'm gonna go eat it in my room and just enjoy a nice sleep. So I will see you guys bright and early in the morning. We're gonna get some training in the morning, and then after that, we're gonna go check out Radwood and all kinds of stuff. So the big day happens tomorrow. The concourse is happening tomorrow. We'll show you all the cool stuff, but thanks for tuning in today. I'll see you in the morning. Bye. All right, guys, I'm ready to go. Gonna head out and check out Radwood first, and then we'll head to Club Amelia. Gotta check the fit though. I'm pretty proud of myself. I am by no means a fashionista, but I've been getting so many recommendations to get clothes from ARITZIA, and so this is my first outfit from ARITZIA. Very excited about it because it's still sporty. Got my little vest, and the pants are like so comfortable. Let's head down.
is it?
First and foremost, he is the Dancing with the Stars champion. And second, you might know him from winning a few races here and there.
Yeah.
Just a few. I'm super excited to be here and be able to hang out with Elio for the first time. It is Elio, right? I'm saying
You're doing
it
a
correctly.
phenomenal job.
I never want to say it wrong.
No, people call me Julio, hello.
Julio.
Which is okay, it's okay, but it's Elio, the right pronunciation.
Elio. Okay, so everybody, the record is set straight. It's Elio. Okay. What's your favorite car that you've seen here today? Have you found one you really like?
You know, I'll be selfish. I've seen the cars that I drove, and which is one of my favorites, the Champ car, number 3. It's a Rainer, but it's supposed to, we call it the Rainsky, because it was a Rainer and Penske modified, you know. It is a beautiful car. Still today, if you see the lines, it's very sexy, very, very strong, and probably would have go super fast right now, any place that we're gonna go. So
anytime you're driving, I'm sure it's gonna go
it's
super
gonna
fast.
go fast for sure.
It's over there?
It's over there, yes.
Okay. I will have to try to go find it and show you guys. Thank you so much for talking with us for a second. Anything else people should know about the Amelia, you think?
If you're not here, you're missing.
Yeah, definitely missing. By the way, if you didn't know, Elio is the honoree this year at the Amelia, so congratulations.
Thank
Everyone
you.
is so proud of you and all that you've done in motorsports.
I feel blessed, and again, for me, it's an honor to be the honoree, obviously, today in Amelia Island, and now, not only because I'm here, but it's an amazing place, and I'm not saying just because I'm an honoree. It is. You guys gotta check it out next year because it's an amazing place.
Thank you to Haggerty and everyone for having us, and we'll show you some cool cars coming up.
So they're doing the youth judging competition right now, and this is the car that the kids chose that wins.
A little more mature. Maybe, what did you like about judging today?
I think it was really fun to look at all the different cars.
I mean, you're absolutely right. What about you?
Getting to judge all the cars and getting to hear the story about them.
Lynn and I decided to get a watercolor portrait done of ourselves.
This is Lynn's car that she's obsessed with. Why did you choose it?
Oh, it is the most extraordinary car. It represents a whole era where these cars don't exist anymore. They built this car themselves from the ground up with all original equipment. It is pristine. Oh my God, I took pictures of the engine running because I could see the rockers moving up and down. I was just so excited because I love this car.
Okay guys, ready for the honoree dinner. Headed down now to celebrate Elio and past honorees. Let's go downstairs.
This is a passion project for us at Haggerty. We love the Amelia. Thank you for being, you're just a gracious, wonderful, energetic honoree, and it's just been a great day. So everybody have a great evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much to the Haggerty family for really making this one of the best events of the year, and it is the most important event to kick off the car category. Enjoy everything and we'll see you in the bar. Thank you.
That is it for, what day are we? 3? Yeah, 3 at Amelia. The main day, the concourse is done. The winners have been announced, and I'm very tired. It's been packed days, super fun stuff though, so had a great time. Awesome to celebrate the honoree tonight, and I'm excited for the panel tomorrow morning because it's going to be past honorees, and I think Lynn St. James is on that as well. So excited to listen to her and other legends. So we'll show you guys that tomorrow, but I think that's gonna be pretty much it for the Amelia this year. I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm gonna go get some good sleep and look forward to the last day here at Amelia Island. See you guys in the morning. Good Good morning, guys. So last day here at the Amelia, and I don't know if I mentioned, but they normally have the concourse and a lot of stuff we did yesterday on Sunday, but they switched it this year because there were some massive storms coming, and thank goodness that they did, because nobody likes their special precious cars to be rained on. I'll show you outside right now what it looks like. I actually went for a run this morning on the beach, but it was not this bad when I was running, thank God. Coming down. So thank goodness they switched it to yesterday when it was beautiful and sunny. Last thing today though, as I mentioned before, we have the seminar with a lot of the past honorees and legends of the automotive and motorsports world. So I'm gonna head out right now to go listen in on that. And then I think that's almost it for us, guys. So yeah, let's go downstairs and hear what they gotta say.
You by 2 years as becoming an honoree. How did you feel about that?
Oh, pissed off as usual. The first time I came here was 2007 when Derek was the honoree, and the Rolls Royce was one of your sponsors. They had the big party at the end there where all the art shows were this year.
And I have been to a few concours, but I was working with the RPM Foundation. But I'm not that much of a concours kind of car person. But I love them. I mean, but when I came to this and then I saw these race cars and then of course the honorees that were there, I mean, this is where we feel at home as racers, you know, when you come to this concours. You know, every vehicle has a personality and we all have different personalities. And so I think that is where maybe the connection is or isn't with, you know, you find your friends, the people you like that you like better than others, but then you have that same, what's the personality of the car that, you know, that you like some better than others. I mean, and I think it's also, for me, and I think for maybe all of us, is the appreciation of excellence, and whether it's excellence in the preparation of the car or the history of the car, or just something that you've never seen before, but there's this sort of, I mean, it's a level of excellence.
So that is it for me here at the Amelia. My very first time was super big success. I had lots of fun, learned so much, got to meet some really amazing people and see some very special cars. I hope I get to come back again next year with Haggerty, but otherwise I feel like pretty fulfilled, but definitely would like to see more cool cars in the future. So thanks so much to Haggerty for having me. I also got a very cool turbo hat, so very excited for that to be able to wear. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.